Hi, welcome to this video. Now in this video we will learn how to integrate ActiveCampaign with Groove, okay? Or how to connect ActiveCampaign with Groove. So without wasting any time, let's hop into my laptop. If you remember this particular page, I just made some modification based on what because I have thought of using this for one of my promotion. So this is the FBL cash machine that you will be getting access below. If you click the link below, you will see this, and this is the real thing that is going on background that you will be using now. Okay. Now, if you remember last time, it was my mistake. I couldn't explain you why you were not able to change the size of this button. So I removed it and just kept it a hyphen, right? Because earlier, what happened, if you select this one, let me do this, configure, if you go to configure, okay, there is some getting hanged. Okay, all the options were here itself, the size of the button, the color of the button, and the size. But right now everything has changed to you can go to design, click on design, go to text, and you can actually change the size. Okay, so that's why I was not aware of this, but suddenly while trying I figured it out today. So I thought I will explain this to you, because in the previous video I said Groove was maybe working on some update, and that is what they were working on, and it is now in design section, not in configuration section. So you can go ahead and start doing the changing. Make sure you select the text, okay, and select this one. When you are selecting, it will say FA icon in the below. Okay, if you see this FA icon, select that and you change the size over here, and you can change the color. Okay, whatever color you want, you can give it over here. Okay, see, right? Okay. And what I did, I gave some space, because earlier it was like there was no space. So I'll just give you an overview. Go to select this one, and it is showing text. You are selecting the text, not the entire list icon. You are selecting the text. After that, go to spacing. Okay, in the outside you can just give some margin, just I did, and below also I gave some margin, so that there should be some space between these two line items. And once you do that, after that you just select this, the entire list icon below. Okay, select the list icon and copy. This is the copy option. See, make sure, my friend, when you are making any update, any change, make sure you do it for one, so that you don't have to repeat the same action for all the below list icons or anything else. It applies to everything. When you are creating a button, or you are creating a header, anything you are creating for that matter. Okay, you can create it once and utilize it going forward for all your designs. Okay, so this is the page, and if you remember this one, right, the below one, this was the MailChimp component, but today we are going to integrate ActiveCampaign. So what I will do is I will just delete it. Okay, confirm, and I will go to the element section. Similarly, I'll just go down and I will bring ActiveCampaign. I'll bring it over here. Okay, ActiveCampaign. Okay, Groove is taking some time. Now meanwhile, guys, if you haven't yet checked the FBL cash machine, go below. There is a link, the first one, where you can actually check the entire presentation, entire training absolutely for free. Okay, make sure go and do that. Okay, now it's the email, so it's the ActiveCampaign component. So I'll just go ahead and save it. Now, in order to use it, you should have an ActiveCampaign integration setup. So to do that, just click on this icon in the top right hand side corner, go to My Integrations. I'll just go ahead and delete it, because I want to show you from the fresh. So I'll just go to Add Integration Type. You just click on ActiveCampaign. Where is it? Is it there? Yeah, ActiveCampaign. Now integration description, I'll just give it as FBL opt-in. Let's for example. Now it will ask for API key and URL. So if go to your ActiveCampaign account, if you haven't, see, now there is one beauty of having an ActiveCampaign stuff. Let me just tell you why. Okay, I just want to exit it. I want to keep this on. Okay, now guys, why you need to do ActiveCampaign? So there are three things. First one is the time I'm recording this video, sorry, I was just creating a little space for my hands so that we can set it properly, right? Now when I'm creating this video as of today, GrooveMail is still not in operation. Okay, you won't be able to send emails from Groove Email. However, I was notified that the team is working on it. All the technical parts are already done. Within a month or so, or a couple of days, you will be able to use Groove Email, because now they're in the process of warming up the list. Okay. So once that is done, you don't need to use a MailChimp or ActiveCampaign for that matter. But if you're currently using it, keep on using it. And once you see Groove Email is stabilized, everything is fine, you can move all your list to Groove Email and stop using those platforms, right? And now if you're starting out and if you want to create an account, and if you just don't want to spend any money for the email because you invested so much in Groove, right? So you want to create your own email list. So in that case, you can go to MailChimp. Okay, it's absolutely free. You can have 1,000 contacts or 2,000 contacts. I don't remember exactly, but you'll have that absolutely for free. But the problem there is you won't be able to perform some automations, right? There is only straight emails going on. You cannot do some automations. But if you want to do some automation, but automation in the sense, if they have watched this email, if somebody has opened this email 1, then you don't want to repeat, you don't want them to send the same email again. You need to send another email. However, if somebody is not opening email 1, you can actually send them another email with another headline, but keeping the content absolutely same. Okay, so that they will have 2 emails in their inbox, and might be they will open the second one, and you can keep on continuing that automation, right? And similarly, when it goes to email number 2, if he's opening, he will go to the next sequence or next email, and if he's not opening that, he can go to the next email. This is just a broad level, high level overview of an automation. There are a lot of automations that you can perform inside all the softwares, but I'm talking about the cheap and free versions, right? So ActiveCampaign, currently they're running some trial period for that. You can actually test them out. Also, what you can do is there's the basic plan. It is just a couple of dollars. It's very cheap, but you have to pay a yearly subscription. But I believe if you want to run a business, and currently if you are ready to wait, you can wait for that. But if you have an automation, integration, everything on setup, if you want to go on full blown, there's a link below in the description where you can actually go ahead and check out the ActiveCampaign and just go ahead and purchase the basic plan. Okay, it's going to be very cheap. I'm not asking you to keep it forever, because in that way you can actually start automating your business. Okay, you can keep all the, you don't have to wait for our Groove email to be fully functional. Okay, however, you can still, and you also able to utilize all the features. Like automation is the key right now, but you don't have to go for the additional above and beyond features, because anyways Groove is coming, right? GrooveMail is coming. So once that is there, you don't have to pay that. But the yearly subscription for ActiveCampaign for the base plan is very minimal. And I think for a business, successful business, if you want to run starting from now, right now, you can go ahead and do that. Okay, let's move ahead, and I will show you how to we just brought in the what is this called? ActiveCampaign container, not container, this is component. Okay, we'll go ahead and start adding, go to my integration now. I think I showed you that time. I'll just quickly, I'll show you ActiveCampaign. I'll just give it FPL opt-in. Now we need API key and URL. For that, you just go to your ActiveCampaign account, go to settings, And also we will test it out whether we are able to generate the list or not. Okay, testing is highly required. Now go to developer, and here you will get the URL. So URL, just copy and paste it over here. Now this is your key, API key. Come over here and paste it, sorry, and update. Forgive my accent, I'm really sorry. Forgive my accent if it is very disturbing, or if you're not finding it interesting. See, at the end of the day, you need to understand what I'm sharing, right? You should be able to accomplish the task. Job should be done, right? Message should be delivered. Now we'll click on update. I think it is updated. Now just exit. Okay. Now let's go to the ActiveCampaign, or you can go to the list over here somewhere in the below list. And the user friendliness is really good in ActiveCampaign. I really like it. When you see the MailChimp, finding list is not easy. You have to go reverse around, right? I have shown you how to do that. Now, this is a default email list that they have created for me. Right now it's a 1. You can go ahead and add a list over here. Okay. Go to add a list. You can actually select anyone, or you can create your own list, give it a name, just add it, and it will appear over here. I'm not going to add it. I'll just keep it as it is. I just showed you why you need a list, because in Groove, when you were adding this, right, you need to add a list, add this email addresses to a list. So we'll go to configure, we'll select this, go to configure. Are incorrect. Okay, let's delete this. Okay. Component. I'll just want to quickly check my integrations. Okay, this is all fine. I'll go ahead. Oops, I think I'm running out of battery. Give me 1 second. I'm sorry. Sorry for the inconvenience caused, my friend. Okay, let me show you. Charger is connected. Okay, we'll go to elements. Okay, and we'll get the ActiveCampaign. Go over here, ActiveCampaign, just bring in. Okay, let's select this ActiveCampaign configure. See, we got the FBL opt-in over here. Select the list. It's the master contact list, right? You can redirect it to a thank you page, but currently I don't want to do that. Just leave it blank and just click on update. Okay, now this is successfully done. We will test it out, okay, whether it is working or not. Okay, before that, I just want to move this because I don't want name to be below, right? This is first name. I'll just drag it up. First name. I don't want this button, this name, confirm. First name, I'll just delete this. I'm going to make it look better. Subscribe. I'll just go to design, configure, and name it. Yes, I want it. Okay, now submit action. Nothing. It's okay. I'll just go design again. Go to the background. See, this is I like it all the time, because if things are not pretty cool to me, I don't like it. I'm kind of a little obsessed about my designs. Okay, this looks pretty okay right now. It delivers a message. It tells the benefits. There is a picture, and yes, I want it. Everything is connected. Let's go ahead and publish it. Currently, it is on Groove domain. Now, if you have your own domain and you want to publish it on your own domain and you don't know how to do it, then I have created a video video below. I have created a video on that as well. So that tells how to connect your subdomain or your own domain to Groove. You can find that video below somewhere. Okay, so this is done. I'm just this is the test site. I'll go ahead and publish the website. Look at this, my friend. This may overload your pocket with additional 10,000 every single year, even if you fail. And it is absolutely true. You will see it inside. Okay, even if you fail. This is a very bold claim. I know, but this is the truth. Control V and paste it. Okay, this is the old one, I think. So I'll copy it. I'll just go to the incognito window. See, sometimes what happens, don't get panic when you update this one, you publish it, but when you click over here, you will not get the thing, okay, because it takes some time, okay, and your browser is taking from your cache most of the time. Cache, CACHE, I don't know how to pronounce it, I'm sorry for that. But so don't get panic for that, because you might think that it is not updated, but it is actually updated. Okay, just go to here, incognito window, paste the link, and just wait. See, it is actually updated, right? Oh, 100%. Now let's give a name, RR. Let's give something at the rate gmail.com. Okay, yes, I want it. It's done. Okay, let's go ahead and check our ActiveCampaign list. Go here, where's the list? I don't find it. List. Okay, let's see the magic. Here you see there's 2 people, 2 subscribers, and one is RR. Okay, we just did it. Right? Okay, my friend, if you are not doing it, please go ahead and do it. It's very simple. You can just click the link below for ActiveCampaign and just get the free trial. You don't have to pay anything, and that is, I think, 14 day or 30 day, I don't remember. You have a free trial for that. Just log in and just connect it. Okay, if you don't know how to create this kind of opt-in page, which is very simple, very clean, and highly converting. Okay, this is highly converting. You're giving a lot of values over here. What is their inside benefits? And I mean, this is compelling, right? You need to come up with this kind of stuff. Okay, so go ahead and do that. Okay, take action, because that is the only way you can make progress. Okay, so if you like the video, make sure give it a thumbs up. Okay, if you're watching in Facebook, go ahead and give a love to our page, so that every time when I update a video, you will be able to check that out. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please go ahead and subscribe our channel and give a thumbs up to this video, because every time I'll be updating some video, and you might not get updated on Facebook or might not get notified on YouTube. But if you have both the platforms, then the probability of getting notified will increase. Okay, and yeah, check that out. And if you haven't yet watched FBL training, please go ahead and watch it. That is going to change your life, my friend, I'm telling you. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and take care. Wait for the next video. Bye bye.